Welcome to SB408D Entrepreneurship. My name is Felicia Frida Idan Aqua, and we're going to be looking at Unit 5, Managing a Small Business Marketing. Specifically, we're going to focus on target marketing, which is Section 4. And by the end of this session, you should be able to explain the importance of target marketing, outline the three main steps involved in target marketing, and describe the activity of market segmentation and distinguish between market targeting and market positioning. So let's look at the meaning and the importance of target marketing. When we're talking about target marketing, we're saying it is the process of identifying market segments, selecting one or more of them, and developing product and marketing mixes tailored toward each of them. And so, target marketing is that you want to identify, I want to serve X population or X market or market X. In market X, there are about 4 segments. They have A, B, C, D. I want to target XA to serve. Now you need to what? Then channel your product and your marketing mixes towards what? The XA you've chosen. That is what target marketing is about. And so it's when it comes to target marketing, it's a set of buyers sharing common needs or characteristics the firm has decided to what? Serve. So I have decided to serve just distance education students of the University of Cape Coast. That is my what? Target market. If someone decides to also what? Targets to serve regular students of the University of Cape Coast, that is the market they are going to what? Tailor their goods and services and marketing mixes, which is the price, promotion, place, and promotion. All these issues, they are going to what? Target it to them. And so the steps to the target marketing is: one, you first have to do the segregation. So it could be demographic, it could be geographic, it could be even psychographic, it could be behavioral segregation. So let's start with the segmentation. Sorry. So when we're looking at the market segmentation, we're saying that you can actually group the market into various segments in there, and we made mention of segments earlier in the earlier sessions, and you can even do it based on what? Geography. So it could be Cape Coast, Greater Accra, Central Region, Ghana, Africa, West Africa, Europe. So you can segment your market based on what? Where they find themselves on the globe, or yes, on the ground. You can also do demographic segmentation, where you are looking out for the age, you're looking at sex or gender, you're looking out for family size, you're looking out for family cycle, occupation, their lifestyle, their income patterns. All of these are things you can look out for when you are doing demographic segmentation. And you can also do some psychographic segmentation, which you divide your buyers into different groups based on what? Their social class, their lifestyle or personality characteristics. When you go to a typical place like East Legon, people tend to do more of psychographic segmentation. And so there are some parts of East Legon where it is pure rich people, and you realize that the prices of things there are different, the quality of things there are different, and you have some places which are a bit zongo in there, or which is not very high tech or so refined areas, and you realize that the things there are a bit different as well. And so you can do psychographic segmentation as well. You can also do behavioral segmentation, which divides the the market based on what? Knowledge, attitudes, behaviors, and their responses to a product. There are some parts of this country, let's be realistic, where you're selling something, they just want it very, very cheap. But there are some places where cheap is not in their dictionary, they want it very luxurious. And so you can even look out for these patterns. Some people are well knowledgeable, and so when you're trading with them, it's different. There are some things which is not for everybody. So you need to know how to what? Segment your market. You can do it either looking at your geography, Ghana, Cape Coast, West Africa, all those ones, or you could do demographic, where you're looking at maybe males, females, children, adults. You can look at those, or you can do the psychographic, as well, where you want to look at people's social classes, and this is grade A people. These are the luxury brand people I want to work with or not. And you could even do behavioral segmentation with knowledge, attitudes, and all those issues in there as well. So once you've been able to do that, you also need to do what we call the market targeting. Don't get confused. Target marketing is different from what market targeting. So market targeting involves selecting which segment of market you think is appropriate for you to focus on, and you devise what means of reaching them. So we said the target market is what we made mention of the target market first, and we were talking about the fact that for the target market, where you have to identify the various market segments and see which ones you want to work with. But over here, we now want to go further to what? Do the market targeting. That this is the segment we think we want to work with, and we're going to focus on it and design a means of what? Reaching these people. And so in deciding which or how many segments to serve, after you've done this evaluation, you should be able to what? Deal with the issue of the target market selection. And for you to be able to do this, you may need to look at some market coverage strategies. Some do the undifferentiated marketing strategy, which involves what? Ignoring market segments and going for the what? Entire market with one product. So sometimes people just do undifferentiated marketing strategy. I'm selling clothes, whether it's males, females, everybody can buy. That is how the undifferentiated is. Differentiated looks at several market segments and designing separate offers for each. So when you are doing the differentiated, you'd have products which are for males, products which are for females. So you have clothes which are more targeted to males, clothes targeted to females, clothes targeted to what? Children. But the undifferentiated is cloth. Everyone can buy, everyone can use, whether you're male or female. And then you have the concentrated or the niche marketing. When it comes to the niche marketing, usually you're targeting a special single market which has special needs or wants. So there are usually some markets which people are not really willing to go in, or they are small and they have their own special characteristics. And so you can go in for a niche market, concentrated market, where you're going to serve the needs and wants of that single market segment. And you can also continue by looking out for what? Market positioning. It's saying that a product's position is regarded as the way a product is defined by customers or consumers on important attributes. It is the place the product occupies in the minds of what? Consumers relative to what? Competitors' products. So in Ghana, someone is going to actually buy toothpaste. They'll go and stand at the shop. Please, I'm buying Pepsodent, because in our minds, Pepsodent is what? Toothpaste. You're going to buy Omo, and then you end up saying, I'm buying, you're buying detergent, but you end up going to say, I'm buying Omo. This is because of what? The position they own in our minds. So in summary, we have discussed that target marketing, the seller identifies the market segments they want to work with. It could be one or more, and then develop product and marketing mixes which is tailored to each one of them. And the three main steps include your target marketing procedure is the market segmentation, the market targeting, and then the market positioning. Thank you.